How do household chores build essential life skills for teenagers? Imagine a teenager who can cook a simple meal, organize their room, and manage their time well. These skills don't happen by chance. They come from helping out around the house. When teenagers contribute to household chores, they learn responsibility by completing tasks on time, like cleaning their room or taking out the trash. This teaches them that their actions matter and that they are part of a team that keeps the home running smoothly. Doing chores also helps teens develop time management skills. For example, if they have to finish homework, do laundry, and help with dinner, they learn to prioritize and plan their day. Managing multiple tasks teaches them how to meet deadlines and balance different parts of their lives, which is useful in school, work, and future responsibilities. Practical skills are another big benefit. When teens learn to cook, do laundry, or fix a leaky faucet, they gain hands-on experience that prepares them for living independently. Knowing how to prepare a meal or manage a small grocery budget makes them more self-sufficient when they move out or live on their own. Chores also boost their mental skills. Completing a multi-step task like cleaning the entire kitchen or organizing a closet requires planning, remembering instructions, and staying focused. These activities help improve their ability to think clearly, stay organized, and solve problems, skills that are important for school projects and future jobs. Plus, when teens do chores well, they feel more confident. Finishing a task and getting positive feedback from family members makes them proud of their work. This sense of achievement encourages them to take on more responsibilities and believe in their abilities. Helping out around the house also strengthens family bonds. When teenagers share chores, they feel more connected and valued. It teaches them how to communicate better and work as a team, which improves relationships at home. They learn to listen, ask for help when needed, and share their ideas, making family life more harmonious. Starting with simple chores like making their bed, watering plants, or setting the table is a good way for teens to learn. Parents can show them how to do each task properly and give positive feedback. Over time, teens become more confident and capable of handling bigger responsibilities. So, chores are more than just cleaning or tidying up. They are opportunities for teenagers to build skills that help them become independent, communicate better, and strengthen family relationships. These skills will stay with them long after they leave home and help them succeed in many areas of life.